Happy kids make happy families. This 8-hour workshop will give you tried and tested methods of teaching kids yoga. You will learn games, activities, and playful ways to introduce tools that kids will use for a lifetime. We start with the fundamentals, teaching kids about breathing. Breath is life, and life is breath. The quality of our breath determines the quality of our life. We show you how bubbles can help kids connect with their breath. It is a simple activity and helps center kids, bringing their mind and body together to focus on breath.
I kind of like the yoga that we were doing today because it helps me calm down because I'm always a hyper person, so it really helps me calm down. And young yoga masters is the best place that I like to do yoga. I don't know why, but when my teacher does yoga with me, it doesn't really calm me down, but when I do it with other people that train, it helps me.
My name is Marcia. I'm a mom, a yoga teacher as well. And I have a little boy, a son. When I had him, I wanted to take teacher training, yoga teacher training, and a kids yoga teacher training to share the practice with him at home. So I took Young Yoga Masters teacher training in 2015. I took the intensive. It was wonderful. And truly, I myself fell in love with the practice of yoga. Again, it's very creative, it's very playful, and it also matches some of the yoga philosophies that goes into the practice, a lot of mindfulness tools as well. So it really helped me fall in love with the practice again, and I use it at home with my son, with my little guy.
Imagine being able to get your kids calm and focused when they need to be. It's a fact that yoga helps, and Young Yoga Masters is on a mission to give you the tools to teach kids yoga.